Hey there, it's Apostle Dwann in Jacksonville. If you know you're called to the prophetic, but you're not quite sure if you're ready to enroll in a college of prophets, I want you to register and enroll in our Emerge mentorship program for emerging prophetic voices of all generations. Every single year, almost every month, we get people who say, I'm not quite ready for the college of prophets, but I do know, I do understand that God is doing something in me as it relates to a prophetic gifting, and I want hands-on mentorship. I want somebody who can walk me through the good, the bad, the ugly, so that I can really understand what type of mantle is on my life. If that's you, I want you to enroll today. We've put this program together specifically for you. I personally asked Prophet Andrea to lead this up for me at GICMP so that we could really take care of and minister and mentor those of you who really need help and who really haven't been able to find the help you need as an emerging prophet. We're going to meet with you once a week. We're also going to have some engagement in a private Facebook community where you can ask questions, and we will dig deeply into dream interpretation as well. And I think it's going to bless you and really get you on the right track to moving in your prophetic destiny. If you've been asking God to send you a mentor, send you help, send you somebody who can really put you on the right path and who can answer those questions that you have as an emerging prophet. I don't care what age you are. I don't care how young you are, how old you are. It's never too late and it's never too early to enroll in prophetic training. So I want you to enroll today and know that help is here and we are ready to get you on the track to your prophetic destiny.